on, give this love a boy try. I'll put the sparkle right back in your eyes. What could you lose? Well, for one, her heart.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buko.
Birthday, Nanay. Always smile. Do not stress yourself. Birthday, Nanay. Love you. Happy birthday.
Ang nakalipas ay babalik na.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Okay, kiss daw.
Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo.
Birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday, Nanay.
Buko.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Happy birthday, Nanay Maria! So today is your special day. I hope you're happy right now and wish you all the best. I always pray that God give you more years, healthy and joyful days. Thank you for your endless love and sorry for all the mistakes that I did. I love you so much, Nanay. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nanay Maria. More birthdays to come. Good health and long life. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Hi Nanay, happy 66th birthday sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa paggabay at pagmamahal. Alam kong marami ka pang birthday na dati natin. Medyo may pagkasamandam ko. Joke lang. Kahit na medyo pasaway kami, lagi mo natatandaan na mahal ka namin. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit sa iyo. Enjoy mo ang kaarawan mo at kami ang magwawalwal. Walwal na.
Happy birthday, Nanay. More birthday to come po. And sana po di po kayo magsawang pagalitan si Daylan. Thank you po sa pag-aalaga kay Day and ingat po palagi. More birthday to come, nanay. Thank you po.
Nay, happy